Hey everyone, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. Now we're problem 415, add strings. So given two non-negative integers num1 and num2 represented as strings, return the sum of num1 and num2 a string. You must solve the problem without using any built-in library for handling large integers such as big integer. You must also not convert the inputs to integers directly. Well, that sucks. Okay, let's make directory 415 add strings 415. Solution.python. Oh, I didn't copy what I wanted. Pass solution add strings 111 21. Okay, so let's do 1, 2, 3. Let's do exactly as requested here. So I'm not sure. I think that we need to do like those things where we add the last digit of each string and then, yeah, those kinds of things. So, while true, so current index equals 0. So num1 val equals num1 of minus 1 plus current index if length of num1 is equal to, so I just don't want to exceed it, like num1 did the other way, if current index is smaller than length of num1, else the value will be a 0. Same thing for num2. num2 val, so let's go. Okay, let's check. Oh, we can't convert a character to a string directly with those things. Oh, but we can do the orth. So orth of val. I'm just gonna change this to raw. And num1 val equals orth of num1 val raw. So let's open the terminal and the Python interpreter. So orth of, no, it's actually the opposite. So orth of 1, 49. Okay, so actually orth of 0 is 48, so we want to minus 48. Same thing for num2 val. And here we are. Let me just print this So we can run the debugger, and we should have 1 and 3. 1, 3, great. Everything is working. So now what do? By the way, what do we need to return? An integer string, oh damn, string. So we do result of sum equals num1 val plus num2 val, and we must have something like a carryover, which is 0 plus carryover. So toChar is just the last digit, so it's going to be the integer, the remaining of the division by 10, and the carryover is the integer division by 10. So final string equals empty string. We started as an empty string, and then we say final string equals final equals something plus final string. And this something is the character of toChar plus something, which I don't know. I think it's plus 48. So if I want char of 48, it should be 0. Great. Char. Okay, return final string. So let me just run this again. Why is it never... Oh, I'm not breaking the while true. So I think that I just need to say, well, current index is smaller than the maximum between length of num1 and length of num2. And of course, I need to increment the index. Current index plus equals 1. Oh yeah, this is not a 0, this is a string 0. Yep, it works. So let's just submit this. One 9 output 0. Oh yeah, right, I forgot. So at the end we need to add the carryover. So same thing for the carryover. So it's going to be carryover plus 48 plus final string if carryover, else we just return final string. Okay, didn't do so well, let's just submit again and see if I'm lucky. A little bit better. Let's check other solutions. Python. Oh, this one had a dictionary, so it didn't do any sums and stuff like that. I think that saves some time. Yeah. He had the carryover as well, the answer. And it was just like minimizing the arrays. You didn't have an index. Yeah, but the thought process is the same. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.